Hey everyone. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the second part of my freedom within a budget method. So this part is the what do you want part, okay? And then it leads into the variable spending for the month and thus for the week. So this is where you pay yourself. This is where you make sure that you are saving money for your future. You're allocating money towards your goals, okay? And you're not forgetting about future you. So this month, for the month of August, I decided I'm going to invest $250. Now, it looks a bit light. Like, don't I have other goals? And, what am I saving towards? Like, what am I doing with my retirement and stuff? To be honest, I am doing a little bit of soul searching in that area. I have been really bogged down by my business and building this the last couple of years. And for me, it's just I've been so bogged down, but like on a day-to-day, week-to-week basis that I haven't really thought about this. I do have some big goals, and I'm actually a little bit scared of sharing that with you, but I promise I will share that with you. Because it is a marathon, it is a long journey, and I really want you to be a part of it. And I hope that I can be a part of yours and help you reach your goals. And, so you can get to where you want and live a life that you want, that you love, and that you're going to enjoy. So I will be sharing that with you another time in another video, what my goals are. Again, they're big, so they are scary, but nonetheless, it's going to happen. I'm going to make it happen. So $1,155 is what I have available for goals and personal spending. Like I said, I'm allocating just $250 this month towards my investments. And that leads me to what's left, $905. So again, that's A minus B. It's this amount minus this amount will get me to $905. So for August, I decided that this was going to be a 4-week month according to my planner, because July was a 5-week month. And then here I decided, okay, it's going to be 4 weeks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So ending August 31st, it's a 4-week month. So gonna divide that by 4. And again, July was 5, so last month I divided by 5. And that gets me to $226.25 for each week on average. Now, I did say in another video, I allocate roughly $1,000 per month. But again, I had a few other expenses, like my soccer fees were due. Yeah, it's my soccer fees. So that kind of decreases my variable spending for each month, and that's okay. And I've taken it a little bit out of my savings as well, but that's okay. Nonetheless, I am setting aside something, and I can work with this because I do on average spend about $200 a month. Anything that I don't spend goes towards savings, right? So down here is where I allocate my weekly spend. So for the month of August, what's happening? I got 2 birthdays, on a Saturday, Sunday. So it kind of leads into, because I do Sunday to Sunday. So the end of week 1, I have a birthday on a Saturday. And then the beginning of week 2, which is a Sunday, I have another birthday. So this is what I've allocated towards the first 2 weeks. And then at the end of the month, I'm probably going up to the cottage. So I usually spend a little bit more that week. So I allocated a little bit more towards that week. So that gets me to $905, making sure, this adds up. This amount adds up to C, this amount. So this is how I get to my weekly spendable. And then I put that down in my monthly planner, which you can order online. So right here at the beginning of the weeks, that's where I allocate. That's where I put that in. Now I haven't said anything here yet. I do that as the week approaches, and I'm like, okay, do I have any dinner plans? Do I have any whatever plans, any like forgotten birthdays or whatnot. I do that at the beginning, at the end of the week or the beginning of the week, and I just, allocate it accordingly. So this is how I allocate my weekly spending to make sure that I am paying myself and working towards my goals, but also allowing me flexibility on a week to week, day to day basis.